Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today we're going to be doing my May update for the Partners in Cream project pan. This is a project that was created by Steph Lyons and DaLin. They are here on YouTube as well as on Instagram. And it was a project that was created to really target our cream and liquid products within our collections. This is the second year that I've had the privilege of working on this project, and I have what I hope to be a fun update, so let's go ahead and jump on in. So let's talk about the two items that I rolled in on the last update. So one of them is this right here. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is just a deluxe sample of the Airbrush Flawless Filter Foundation. I have mine in one neutral. It is my goal to use this up completely. So I don't know when that will be. This does not appear to be an airless pump. Thank you so much for letting me know that there would be a little kind of hole in the bottom. I pulled the little sticker off. There is not a hole. So I am fairly confident that it's not an airless pump, but the top doesn't come off and I can't see through the packaging. So I have no idea when this guy is going to be used up. I did use it a total of 8 times since rolling it into this project. So I can't imagine that it's got too much left in it, but we will see when it runs out. So hopefully it'll be the next update, but I'm not completely sure. The other item that I rolled in was this right here. This is by NYX. This is the Marshmallow Primer. I hate that I love this. I really like this primer a lot. I say I hate that I love this because this little stupid package was $8. I do as a whole feel like these days NYX is overpriced. However, they do very frequently go on sale. So A, do not buy this for $8. It is not worth the money. The full size for $17, if you can get it on sale, I would definitely recommend. It's my goal to use this up. I used it 7 times since rolling it in last month, and it's not used up, but it doesn't have far to go. So that is where that is. I am also working nice and strong on this right here. This is from IT Cosmetics. It is the Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. I am wanting to use this up entirely. This is where we're at right now. And then I did use it a total of, 23 times. And I'm actually quite surprised that it doesn't look like I can draw a new mark. I mean, maybe I could, but I feel like it would be just like right at almost the same place that it was before. So that's kind of a bummer. But I have been working really strongly on it and I do enjoy using it. I mean, as much as I can with my ridiculously sparse brows, but you know, I'm happy using it, and so I have no problem with the idea of using it all up. It's just going, as all of you predicted, more slowly than I predicted. The next item that I am working on is from Colourpop. This is a Super Shock Shadow. It is in the shade IRL. This is where we are right now. As you can see, I have a wonderful dip going in there. I do really love this shade. Let me give y'all a swatch because I don't know if I've ever done that for you before. This is what it looks like just on the tip of my finger. And then, ooh, disregard my awful gross nails. But it is beautiful. It has this lovely greeny gold reflect to it. From a brownish sort of flip. It's gorgeous. I love using it. I have used it a total of 7 times since our last update, but as you could see, there is no pan yet in there. It is a little bit older, my collection, so it is stiffer, so it isn't like I can just push my finger all the way down to the bottom and hit pan. So I am steadily using it, and it is not quite at pan yet, so we're just gonna keep on playing with her. There are, however, 2 items that I am going to be completing in this round, which is awesome. So the first one is my lip liner. This is by Milani. This is their Color Statement lip liner in the shade 07 Brandy. I'm pretty sure this has been discontinued. It was my goal to use this 25 times and I used it 27. So we have a goal met here, which is very exciting. But I think the one that is most exciting that y'all totally saw coming is I did finally finish my liquid highlighter. This is by Ilia. I don't know why I'm spinning it around like that. And it is all done. Well, as much as it can be. There is still some that is clinging to the inside of the bottle. It was a little difficult to get it all out, but as you can see, we are as empty as we can be. There is some that's still clinging to the walls a little bit high up, kind of where the bend is. I couldn't get something like in there, but I am so super thrilled to have used that up completely. This was a free sample that I got from Sephora. I can't remember if it was a code or a point perk. I don't remember now, but either way, I didn't pay for it and I got so much mileage out of it. I used this 18 times since our last update to complete it, and a total of 52 times in this project. I am so impressed that something that I got for free, 52 uses, and that wasn't even like a small amount. That was me actually doing a full pump and mixing it into my foundation, to my moisturizer, or just applying it straight to my face before going in with a complexion product. So if you were just using it as a liquid highlighter, you would get so much more out of there because it only takes the smallest amount. Such a great product, such a great product. I love it, as you can probably tell. So that means that we are bringing in 2 new products, which I love. So the first one is going to be this right here. This is a product from the company Smith & Colt. It is their Metallic Shift eyeshadow, and it is in the shade Glitter Baby. I purchased this, and you guys, you can even see, I have not used it even once. I have not even pulled the applicator out. Who does that? Buys makeup and then doesn't use it. Like, that's ridiculous. So this is what it looks like. And I remember I tested it in the Ulta and thought it was really pretty. Obviously, it's been a long time ago that I purchased this, since I just said I tested it in the Ulta. I mean, look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. I remember buying it. I was on travel with the job that I had. So even that means that it's been a really long time ago, because A, I haven't been back to work since the twins were born, and they are a year old. And even then, before that, I had stopped traveling with my job for almost a year before that. So this is a few years old in my collection, and I've never used it. So I want to get good usage out of it. So I'm going to set a number goal. I want to use it 25 times in this project because it's ridiculous that I own stuff that I haven't used yet. The other item that I'm rolling in is actually brand new to me. I just got it in the mail and I'm really excited about it. This is from Nabla. This is the Cupid's Arrow Full Color Stylo, and this is in the shade 03 Berry, even though it's not on here. I bought this because of Danielle. Her channel used to just be called Beauty District, but now I think it's Danielle's Beauty District. I can't remember. I'll have it linked in the description box below. But she uses this on Instagram all the time. She's got this one here in this sort of purpley color, as well as black and brown, I believe. She makes a smudgy wing look so effortless that I bought this. And I want to make sure that I actually use it and doesn't end up like this guy right here, because I'm afraid that I will try to use it and it won't be as effortless as she makes it look, and then it's going to go into the drawer and it's going to dry up, and I don't want that to happen. So I want to use this 25 times in the course of this project so that I can make sure that I'm giving it a real try and not just feeling kind of defeated because it doesn't work the first time. Is anybody else like that, where something looks like it would be super easy and then you try it and you're like, this is not easy, and then you just don't get the confidence to go back and keep working with it? Maybe it's just me, I don't know. But I don't want that to happen with this. So I am going to set a goal to use it 25 times so that I can really get a feel for the product and hopefully make it look as beautiful as she is able to do. So there we have it. That is where I'm at with my Partners in Cream update. I know that this was kind of frenzied and fast. I'm so sorry. We went out of town last weekend, and so I wasn't able to film, although it was amazing to finally get out of my house for the first time in a year and a half. But it meant that I wasn't able to film my update. So today is Monday the 10th. I am filming today and hopefully editing it and getting it up today. So fingers crossed, that's what we're doing. So I apologize if this was kind of a frenzied update, but everybody who I talked about is going to be linked in the description box below. Of course, DaLin and Steph Lyons, the creators of this project, will be linked down below. So please, please, please go check them out. Danielle, if you haven't checked out her channel, she is fantastic. Check her out as well. I will have links to everything that I'm panning, links to what's on my face, links to everything that I can think of that you might find interesting. So that will be down there. So please, please, please check it out. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that you are having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye.